never saw that in Virginia. You would have never saw that in a Homeland Security state.
Yeah. I can't say it's Arab. All you fucking do is holler.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
That's the one.
They should. Girl.
That's the one you saw.
And they want him to keep, girl, every time he do it, I document so they can kick his ass out of here. It's your ass. Good.
Oh, that's the one with the That's the one with the white.
I don't know what his wife is. I don't know if he's married or not. This is Arab son, whatever. They work with the motherfucker.
Come here. Come here. I am your older sister. Come on here.
It's your show.
She fuck. I don't know, and I don't talk to her like that, family.
Maybe you in school because I see you talking. I'm just no, because I thought, not to start from. I'm not asking to be nosy. I just noticed a change in her behavior, like more down.
She didn't tell me. She didn't tell me nothing to talk to her. She was like, no, we have to talk later on. She didn't tell me that. You know what I'm saying? So I just look. She don't want me to know.
She looks like she's hurting. That's why.
Yeah, I think she don't want me to know. And
But it's okay. But my thing is, it's okay. I don't want her to, I want her to understand. This is the one thing that black women have that is so bad. Is that you can't even express yourself because you're scared you're going to be judged. And a lot of us is not going to judge you. We're going to be there for you.
I think what it is, Tammy, is because we at home, we got into that stuff like, well, I don't have no reason to lie to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put it all out of the house.
We support it.
Walk, 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 walk.
I know it's an indignity issue, but the thing is, this mother don't stay up long enough for it to be an indignity issue for his ass. Peter, she every morning. She be on it. My thing is be on your own shit. You don't do shit all goddamn day. Come down here and monitor your motherfucking room. Get your own up here. I love how you throw them. I used to control people like that. Can't do it no more. Shut up. Don't make no noise, Eunice, please. Cause she gonna get you right back up. Lay down. Lay down. Yeah, I put you there. Good job. You ate everything. It's all gone. Wanna take it? Stop. 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 Enough. Cut that light off. Enough. Enough. Sick of you.